Hi, this is Carrie, and I'm back with our fourth and final X-Pack. As I said before, we have discontinued receiving these. We just felt like for us personally, we wanted to try something else a little different. But this is $35 a month, and it is geared towards expatriates who are maybe missing some of the foods that they would normally get in their home countries. And so that's not us. We were just looking for a little bit of something different to try out. And we've tried it, and now we are done with it.
And we did have discount codes.
And we did have discount codes. But, goodness sakes. So this is the Canadian X-Pack. And right on top, I'm already seeing 3 apple and raspberry. It looks like Danishes almost. 3 apple raspberry Danishes. So that's actually a pretty good deal. I'm actually okay with that one. Yeah. And then I also see, and these don't come with a card to tell you what it is that you're getting. But thankfully, this is Canada, and it's in English, so we can figure it out easily.
Yeah, we don't have the time with France and Germany.
Okay, so then we have 2 bags of Old Dutch potato chips. So this one's in ketchup flavor. Not so sure about that one.
I like that.
And this one, it just says all dressed. I don't know what that means either.
Maybe like ranch dressing or something.
I don't know. Guess we'll have to try that out sometime and see what that means. Then it looks like we have 2 of these Big Daddy oatmeal and raisin cookies. The King of Cookie Town is what they're called. And I'm not sure why, but it says Big Butt Tender on the package. So that's interesting. Canada, you are always entertaining, and I do love our neighbors to the north. Then we have, Jakeman's Maple Coffee. My mom is definitely a coffee drinker, and were she feeling better, she would be doing this unboxing, but unfortunately she's not. So when she feels better, she will enjoy the maple coffee. And finally, something that, oh my gosh, and there's a bag in here. Okay, first the cookies. Maple cream cookies, also by Jakeman's. And these look really good to me. And this is a full box. There's 18 cookies in here. They're like the little sandwich cookies. They're in the shape of a maple leaf. So they must have just have the maple cream in between them.
No Cadbury's chocolate?
No Cadbury chocolate, I know. And then finally, you get a reusable grocery bag. Oh, now that's cute. That's a really cute idea, X-Pack. Kudos to you for thinking of this sweet little touch. So that is all we got. A grocery bag. I actually think this is one of the better X-Packs we've got.
Best out of the 4. I would
the
do this again.
Maple cookies. Not for $35, I wouldn't. The 2 bags of potato chips, ketchup, and whatever all dressed means.
If you're from Canada, you would know.
Yeah. The maple coffee, because everything's better with a little maple. The Tender Butt Big Daddy cookies. And the 3 apple and raspberry Danishes. You did good, X-Pack. You did good. So, if you like unboxings and you like to see different types of unboxings, then please hit the like and subscribe button. And if you want to notify when we post, hit that little bell so you keep up to date with what's going on with us. Thank you.